What if next? What if you had a robot that could do anything? Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, and your robot has already made you breakfast, cleaned the house, and even walked the dog. It's like having the perfect assistant who never complains, never gets tired, and always knows exactly what you need. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if having a robot that could do anything wasn't as simple as it seems? Let's explore how this ultimate helper could change your life, and maybe even the world. Let's start with the obvious: convenience. A robot that can do anything would revolutionize your daily routine. Forget about chores. Your robot would handle cooking, cleaning, laundry, and even grocery shopping. Imagine coming home to a spotless house, a gourmet dinner on the table, and your robot saying, "I also fixed the leaky faucet and reorganized your closet." You'd finally have time to focus on hobbies, spend more time with family, or just binge watch your favorite shows guilt-free. Productivity would skyrocket, and life would become as effortless as living in paradise. But here's the catch. What happens when your robot starts doing too much? With a machine that handles everything, humans might become dangerously lazy. Why learn to cook when your robot can whip up a 5-star meal? Why exercise when it can carry you up the stairs? Over time, we might lose basic skills, becoming entirely dependent on our mechanical helpers. Imagine trying to fix a light bulb and realizing you've forgotten how to use a ladder because your robot always did it for you. Convenience could quickly turn into complacency. And then there's the question of jobs. A robot that can do anything wouldn't just replace household chores. It could replace entire industries, from construction to healthcare. Robots could take over tasks faster and more efficiently than humans ever could. While this might sound great for productivity, it could lead to massive unemployment. Imagine a world where your robot is not only your personal assistant, but also your boss, your doctor, and your barista. Would we find new ways to work alongside them, or would we end up competing with our own creations? Now let's talk about the ethical dilemmas. If your robot can do anything, where do we draw the line? Would it be okay to ask it to write your college essays, win you a chess championship, or even fight your battles for you? What if it starts making its own decisions, like throwing out half your stuff to clean the house? Or worse, deciding you're the problem? And what if robots became super intelligent and one day rebelled against humanity, viewing us as oppressors who treated them like tools? With their superior logic and strength, humanity might stand no chance against their uprising. Suddenly, your helpful robot doesn't seem so friendly anymore. On the bright side, robots could solve major problems like building homes, cleaning pollution, and curing diseases. They might create a utopia, freeing humans for creativity and exploration. But would we use this power wisely, or let greed and laziness take over? So what do you think? Could having a robot that can do anything make life better, or would it create more problems than it solves? Share your wildest ideas in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more crazy what-if scenarios. Who knows, your idea might just inspire the next video.